Hi guys, today I am showing you how to log into noredink. We are going to be using this to write our argumentative essay that you've learned about. Okay, so you're going to write down or type in the code that I give you on the board. All right. Next, you're going to sign up with your school ID or your school email address, okay? And then you're going to type in your password. Okay, so now you're going to log in, and then you are going to click View More Assignments. And the amazing thing, or the amazing person I am, I'm giving you choice. So you have the amazing choice of choosing to argue about school uniforms. You can choose your own choice about whether or not schools should give homework, using social media, or gun control. Let me show you kind of the cool thing about using one of these pre-made options versus choosing your own choice, okay? If you choose one of these that already have been chosen for you, such as school uniforms, homework, social media, or gun control, I already have included the sources for you. All right, so you don't have to search the internet at all. The sources are right there for you. Okay, so if you go back and choose your choice right here, you can see that those options are not there for you. Okay, so you have to be quick, and I need you to choose right now which option you want to do for your essay. All right, so take a minute and go ahead and choose. All right, now that you have chosen your topic, let's get started. You can see this is going to walk you through it, okay? So this prompt tells you that you are going to read through for additional information. Just say, got it. You don't need to worry about the rubric. Here's the prompt. Basically, it's going to want you to go through and follow this tutorial. You can see that this is that previous PowerPoint that I showed you. This is where I got all of that information from. Okay. So if you need a refresher about what an argumentative essay is, this is where you can find it. And then this next one will give you a example of what a thesis looks like, okay, and help you with topics. Okay, so let's go ahead and we're ready to start our essay. Okay, so I'm going to add my title. Let's see, my title is School Uniforms. Okay, so that's my title. If I want to change it later, I definitely can do that. Now we want to write my introduction. The amazing thing of why I chose this program is because you can see right here on the side, it gives us help to know what we need to include for each part of our essay. Okay, so right here, we're going to get a hook. But before we use a hook, we really need to go through our sources and look at them and read them, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and read source number 1. So now is the time where I'm going to go ahead and read this article, okay? Now, as you're reading, if you like anything that you see, you definitely can pull it out. Say, for example, I really like uniforms make for one less distraction during school. Okay, maybe I really like this, and I'm going to pull this out. You don't have to do this, but if you like it, you can use it, okay? And we need to use in-text citations because I'm pulling this directly from the source. And right here, I already have the author's name right here. Her last name is Angela, I think, Angelia. And so I'm going to use that as my source, okay? So right here, I have my quote, uniforms make for one less distraction during school. And then I know that is my, let me see here, that's my hook. So I need to add a bridge, which is connecting my readers from this idea to my thesis statement. Okay, so let me go ahead and think of something for that really quick. Okay, so here I created my bridge. Several times as a teacher, I get distracted from students. Actually, I shouldn't, several times, let's say teachers. We don't want to use I or you. Become distracted from what students wear, having inappropriate clothing, okay? My student clothing being inappropriate. Okay, so now I'm going to write my thesis. Okay, so I'll be back with that thesis. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about that thesis statement, okay? So in our thesis statement, we want to make sure to have two ideas that we're going to talk about. So for example, schools should not, or schools should have uniforms because they will prevent distractions and allow equality. Okay, so you can see that this really is a guide to help you through the writing process. Okay, so I'm hoping this video helps you get started with writing your argumentative essay. Bye.